In 1948, this woman discovered a code to bend reality at will. She used it for 30 years with 100% success rate. Her answer: a four-letter code that breaks the matrix. Her childhood set the stage. She grew up in the Great Depression. Survival was a daily challenge. Her parents told her, if you want something, you have to work for it. She often wondered, is there a better way? That curiosity shaped her beliefs. Meet Helen Hadsell, an ordinary woman with an extraordinary belief. The mind creates reality, and her belief changed her life forever. It all started in 1948 when Helen read The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. She was fascinated by one idea: thoughts create outcomes. She decided to test this. What happened next was beyond belief. Helen started small. She entered a slogan contest for a local brand. Her process: she visualized herself winning, felt the joy, heard her name called. Weeks later, she got the call. She had won. One win wasn't enough. Helen wanted proof her method worked. She entered another contest. And another. From 1950 to 1970, Helen won over 1,000 prizes. TVs, cash, vacations, even a house. People began calling her the contest queen. But Helen wasn't just lucky. She had a system. In 1969, Helen wrote a book called The Name It and Claim It Game. She revealed how she won every contest. Her secret: a four-letter formula called SPEC. Select it, project it, expect it, collect it. Here's how SPEC works. 1. Select it. Be crystal clear about what you want. Helen didn't enter contests randomly. She chose ones she truly desired to win. The universe responds to clarity. 2. Project it. See your success vividly in your mind. Helen would imagine hearing her name called, holding the prize in her hands, experiencing the emotions of winning. She said, make it so real in your mind, it's already yours. 3. Expect it. This is where most people fail. Helen believed you had to expect your success, not hope for it. Doubt blocks manifestation. Certainty opens the door. 4. Collect it. Helen always took action. She wrote the slogans, sent the entries, did the work. Her philosophy: the universe rewards action, not daydreaming. SPEC wasn't just about the mind. It was about aligning thoughts and actions. Helen's biggest prize? In 1969, she entered a contest for a new house. Out of tens of thousands of entries, hers was chosen. A dream home, completely free. She visualized it every day until it was hers. Word of Helen's success spread. CEOs invited her to teach their teams. Psychologists studied her methods. She became a manifestation pioneer. But she wasn't just focused on material things. Helen believed her system worked for everything in life. Helen applied SPEC to her health. She claimed she healed illnesses by visualizing her body as healthy. Doctors were stunned by her recoveries. She believed the mind wasn't just a tool for success, it was a tool for healing. Helen's message was simple: you don't need luck. You need focus. Most people fail because their thoughts are scattered. Her system forced clarity, discipline, and alignment. This wasn't magic. It was the power of the mind, the science behind it. Neuroscience now confirms what Helen instinctively knew. Visualization rewires your brain. Positive thoughts build new neural pathways. Focus boosts problem-solving skills. Your mind is more powerful than you think. So why isn't Helen Hadsell a household name? After decades of success, she faded into obscurity. Her books went out of print. Her techniques were forgotten by most. But her story still inspires those who discover it. Helen's life was proof that reality isn't fixed. It's shaped by your thoughts, your emotions, your actions. SPEC isn't just a system for winning contests. It's a blueprint for creating the life you want. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.